Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today it's me and Karen.
Hi.
And me, Karen and Dwynwen. It's our camper van there. It's a Volkswagen T4 Transporter. And we named it Dwynwen because we picked it up on St. Dwynwen's Day, which is the patron saint of lovers.
Well,
Yeah, patron saint of Welsh lovers. So we called it Dwynwen, and we got a week off this week. We were meant to be in Barcelona, but because of the COVID virus, it's been cancelled. So
thank God, because they're in lockdown.
yeah, they're in lockdown again. So we thought we got a week off anyway, so we'll just travel around, stop in wherever we feel like, and checking out some new places. So today we're going to be taking a walk up Hay Bluff, which is 677 metres high. So let's see how this one goes.
He's a big boy.
Right guys, I'll stop for a breather a minute. That's where we're going. Top of Hay Bluff. And this is where we came from. Probably see Dwynwen in the distance if I zoom in. The yellow peril. That's where we came from. And that's where we're going. Right then guys, we're going to follow this path up there, see on the end of my pole, up to the top, and up to the top of Hay Bluff. And check this guy out.
Either him or me.
Yeah, we stayed here last night. Stayed in Dwynwen overnight, and we were treated to an amazing sunset and amazing sunrise, which you've probably seen at the beginning of this film. So yeah, weather's very favourable at the moment. Today is not as sunny, but equally as nice, and just make the most of it, because I think it's going to rain tomorrow and Thursday, I think it is. So yeah, so make hay when the sun shines, as they say. Hi guys. Hiya. Right, having a bit of a scan round of the area, and me and Karen think that these hills over there, we think they're the Malvern Hills, but we could be wrong. So if anyone knows otherwise, leave a comment in the comment section below the video. And if I pan round, Karen seems to think they're the Shropshire Hills.
I could be Barry Road.
And she reckons Snowdon's in the distance. Not too sure about that because
I'd like to think it's Snowdon.
yeah, but North Wales is a fair trek from here, isn't it?
300 miles.
Is it?
3 hours, sorry.
3 hours. Yeah, but could you realistically see Snowdon from here?
Yeah. Hopefully somebody can tell me. Google didn't.
I'll let you, the viewer, be the judge.
Same shape.
Same shape. Right, onwards.
Go down the way.
Guys, hiya.
I was lost in a city dream, and I was at home again beside the stream. Then you walked past me, and you saw me and smiled. I will never forget the first time when I saw you. I thought I lost my mind. Blue and faded was blown away and left behind. I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze that I must inhale. Is it possible for us to feel this way forever? Loving you has never felt more right.
Right then guys, there's the trig point. This is the top of Hay Bluff. There's Karen, she beat me to it,
For change.
which doesn't happen very often. God.
Somebody's painted over the Welsh flag.
Yeah. There we are,
Like this.
Hay Bluff. And it used to have red dragons painted on it, but they've someone's whitewashed it.
Just to see the outline.
Yeah. You can just see the pink underneath. Well, it was red obviously, but it looks pink with a white on it now. So there's a trig point.
Back down now, is it?
Yep, back down because I'm freezing.
Somebody didn't bring a coat. Which way are you going? That way? And down?
Nearly the end of July. And it's not the warmest.
Best one.
So we're gonna make our way back down now. Back to Dwynwen. Have a nice cup of coffee. tea.
Oh yeah, cup of tea.
Yeah, a cup of tea for a change. If I pan round, that mountain in front is Lord Hereford's Knob. I don't know why I laugh when I say that, or why people laugh.
Can't think.
And then over there to the left is the Black Mountains. So we're going to go back down now, catch you in a bit. Right, we're walking back down now, and Karen's decided to take the long way round. So we're going to head that way and try and find a path down. And then along the road, back down to the car park in the distance. So yeah, let's keep on going. Guys, back to the van now. Ooh, time for a nice cup of coffee. See you in a bit. Hi guys, welcome back to our little camping spot. There's Dwynwen there. Karen.
Hi.
Got a little bit of a fire going with one of those flame fast fire logs.
A bit of horse poo.
Apparently horse shit burns pretty good, so yeah, we'll give that a go. So yeah, tomorrow we're going to be climbing that bad boy. Lord Hereford's Knob over there. So make sure to stay tuned for that one tomorrow. And in the meantime we're going to have a couple of drinks. Little fire. And we'll see you in the morning. See you later. Morning. Welcome back to Dwynwen. We're going to have a nice cup of coffee now. Then we're going to walk up Lord Hereford's Knob over there. Weather's beautiful again. So yeah, we'll see you in a bit. Right then guys, just parked the van up down there. We're going to make our way up to the path now, up to Lord Hereford's Knob. Lovely day for it, and a little bit of light wind. It's not too bad at all. Perfect conditions actually. Right, make our way up. Tell you what, guys, we spent 2 nights here in Dwynwen, and I'll tell you what, I don't want to leave. It's absolutely fantastic. Beautiful place. If you ever get the chance, come up here, because you won't be disappointed. It's absolutely stunning. I'm definitely going to come back here and wild camp in the future. Just, you know, wake up to that every morning. It don't get better than that. Hello.
Hello.
Hi guys.
How's it going, alright?
Hi mate, hi. Hi. Karen, what's he pinched his tissues?
Close my zips this time.
Huh?
Close my zips this time.
2 wild horses there, it looks like they're washing each other. Yep, they sure are.
Grooming each other.
Grooming. Whew. It's not too bad, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
His coat off at the top.
Yeah. It's easier than yesterday, isn't it?
Yeah. It is actually. It's well steady, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a male one.
Was it a foal, is it?
I don't know. I think that's a male.
The brown one. So there we have it, guys. We're on the top of Lord Hereford's knob. Touch the summit, like we always do. There's the rest of the Black Mountains over there. In the distance we've got good old Camper van, Central Beacons. It's always windy on top. Always. Right then guys, we stop for something to eat now on the summit. We're going to have a tin of big soup. Beef and vegetable.
Bring the tin up.
Some bread rolls. Bring the bread rolls.
Bring the tin up.
So bring
Test it.
bread rolls.
Dry bread.
We got the jet boil on now. Heat up our soup.
As I camped out one evening to take the midnight air, I heard a maiden grieving from somewhere over there. Who is it you are mourning? For whom she said, I pine for no one, I just can't pay my way. Ever since the chattering classes invaded Hebden Bridge and priced the likes of me and mine to the pots of the Pennine Ridge. To South East Wales I was forced to flee, and now I have no job. That's why tonight I'm sitting on top of Lord Hereford's knob.
Right, just left the summit of Lord Hereford's knob now, and we're going to make our way back down. There's Karen. So I'll catch you in a bit. See you soon. Right, nearly back at the car park now. There's old Dwynwen in the car park, waiting for us. It's only a shortish hike today. It's a lot easier than I thought it'd be. Back at the van now. Thanks for joining us on this one. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.